When companies build a SaaS product and begin serving enterprise customers, security becomes a major priority. Two names often appear in the conversation: Cloudflare Zero Trust and Okta Identity. Both offer strong protection, but they solve different problems and take different approaches. Understanding how each one works can help your team choose the right foundation for identity and secure access. Cloudflare Zero Trust focuses on securing network access without relying on traditional private networks or physical firewalls. It treats every request as untrusted until proven otherwise. Instead of assuming that someone inside your network is safe, Cloudflare validates every connection every time. This keeps threats out even when employees work remotely or when contractors need temporary access. The platform is also built on Cloudflare's global network, so performance stays fast no matter where users connect from. A major strength of Cloudflare Zero Trust is how all the security tools live under one umbrella. You get access control, secure web gateways, remote browser isolation, and device posture checks. You can protect internal apps, SaaS apps, and custom tools with the same policy engine. For many teams, this reduces the need for a large security stack made of many separate products. The experience feels unified and straightforward. Okta Identity approaches the problem from the opposite direction. It is built to be the central source of identity for your business. Okta manages authentication, single sign-on, user lifecycle, and role-based policies. It connects employees, customers, and partners to the systems they need. When someone joins the company, Okta can automatically create accounts. When someone leaves, Okta can remove access everywhere with a single action. For enterprises that need strict governance and clean audit trails, this is essential. Okta also integrates with thousands of SaaS tools, which makes it easier for teams to manage permissions at scale. Its multi-factor authentication features are strong, and its risk-based analysis helps prevent suspicious logins before they become a threat. Authentication flows are customizable, which is valuable for SaaS companies that want to offer secure onboarding for their customers. Many companies use both. Okta handles identity, Cloudflare handles secure access. But if you need to choose based on your priorities, the difference is clear. Choose Cloudflare Zero Trust when your focus is protecting your network, your apps, and your remote workforce. Choose Okta Identity when your focus is managing identities, authentication, and user governance across your entire organization.